Welcome to Jar Your Mind. My name is Joey. Today we are going to do a meditation on the art of forgiveness. And what does it mean to forgive? Well, according to Neville Goddard's lecture on forgiveness, he says, if you will learn to distinguish between states of consciousness and their occupant, you can forgive everyone. How? By identifying the one you would forgive with the ideal he failed to realize. The highest ideal would be to identify him with the divine image itself. As God, we said, let us make man in our image. You are called upon to take a man who is condemned by the world and see him radiating and reflecting God's glory. Well, you could fall a little short of that image, he says, but you could take an ideal he has failed to realize until you are strong enough to go beyond the barrier of observation and see him as the divine image himself. Neville later goes on to say, now if you would forgive another, you must learn to distinguish between the immortal I and the state into which he has moved, either wittingly or unwittingly. As Blake said, you can see by what I teach, I do not consider the just or the wicked to be in a supreme state, but to be every one of them states of the sleep into which the soul may fall in its deadly dreams of good and evil. If you truly love another, it would not matter what he or she did. You would forgive them. I don't care what my mother would do. I would forgive her, or any of my brothers. I have expanded my circle to include friends and enlarged it to encompass those I do not presently know. For in truth, they are all my brothers. The man who said, go and tell my brothers I am ascending unto my Father and your Father, unto my God and your God, had pushed out his circle to encompass all, because he knew there was only one being who was playing all the parts. So you cannot truly forgive unless you can discriminate between the being who occupies the part he is playing and the part itself. Then you can identify him with what you know he would like to be, and to the degree that you are self-persuaded that he is occupying the new state, he will become it. It's entirely up to you to practice the art of repentance, which is a radical change of feeling. A friend may have committed an act of violence and admitted his guilt. Practice the art of repentance by separating your friend, the actor, from the part he played, and identify him with the part you know in your heart that he would like to play. Persuade yourself it is true, and to the degree you are self-persuaded, your friend will be transformed into and occupy that state for all to see. So as we begin to relax and go into meditation, focus on someone, maybe even yourself, that you want to have the power to forgive. This power comes from within as you begin to breathe in the idea of forgiveness and breathe out frustration, anger, or resentment. Breathe in deeply and slowly breathe out, letting go of all tension and stress in the body. Relax as you feel each part of your body letting go. This clenching of animosity, this hold of judgment. Feel your body getting lighter and lighter as you physically release this hold. Your shoulders are relaxing as you breathe out this tension. Your arms and legs are relaxing as the unhealthy stress in your body is lifting, and you are getting closer and closer to the inner power that loves the art of forgiveness. Forgiveness frees your mind. Forgiveness frees your body. And forgiveness frees your soul. Let go. And you will find healing emotionally, physically, and mentally. This world is a stage, and everyone is playing a part. Love the ideal divine in each actor beyond their state of consciousness. Forgive, let go, as you continue to breathe out grudges. Breathe out any desires of pain upon this person, and instead fill your heart with compassion. Fill your heart with acceptance. Fill your heart with forgiveness. It is the ultimate healer of your body, mind, and spirit. Forgiveness. Let go of the hurt and fill your heart with healing energy. You are feeling better and better as this spirit of forgiveness is a bright light now surrounding your heart, and you feel the energy through your chest. And now beginning to radiate all over your body as you are feeling more and more free from the shackles of hurt or resentment. Your heart opens to the art of forgiveness and is now shielded from judgment and contempt. You feel the rush of energy expanding throughout your entire being, in and around you, as you know that forgiveness is the way. Forgiveness is true freedom. Forgiveness is true love. You breathe in and out freely now, feeling the heavy weight of any animosity completely lifting out of your awareness. And all you are focused on is compassion, acceptance, and love. And you imagine the one you are forgiving as an ideal image, as they too are full of love, full of light, and full of forgiveness. And you pray that you may stay in this forgiving and loving state more and more, moving forward, knowing that you can access this feeling state at any time and can rest in this state of peace and understanding at any time. You begin to come back to your breath, in and out in total relaxation and harmony, ready to continue your day, armed with the powerful light of forgiveness within you. And when you are ready, you can come back to the now and open your eyes.